of your brand ever. My dropshipping brands do not have my face. I don't promote them on my podcast, nothing. It is completely independent and separate of me. I could sell that business tomorrow and it would move numbers independent of me.
Hey, these are major keys. These are major gems. Are y'all listening? Because we're moving into the metaverse. Like, we did a whole episode on metaverse and what that looks like and how to be a part of it and how you can invest in it. And it's like, this is part of that. Like, this is the ability for you to have a business without your face. There's so many people who don't want to show their face on the internet. Yeah. Carter, I think you gave me the stats before of like people who have less than like 1,000 followers or something on Instagram. Like, there's like
95% of followers on Instagram have less than 1,000 people.
I believe it.
Okay, so that means that, like, you know, all of us are part of the 5%. And there's a lot of people on the internet who are introverted. They don't want to be the face of their brand. So this is the answer for y'all.